If you're considering using Instagantt for your productivity and time management needs, here are 12 things you need to know before committing. We'll walk through the features, pros, cons, and how it stacks up against other similar tools. Make sure to stick around to the end to get our final recommendation. First thing you need to know is that Instagantt is a robust project management tool that integrates directly with Asana, giving you Gantt chart views and project timelines. If you're already using Asana, this could be a game changer, as it lets you add a visual aspect to your projects, which is something Asana lacks natively. However, if you're not already on Asana, you'll need to consider whether the extra integration is worth the cost. Next thing is the interface. Instagantt's user interface is clean and intuitive, with a drag and drop feature for managing tasks and timelines. You don't need to be tech savvy to get the hang of it, but it can feel a little limiting if you're accustomed to the more expansive UIs of tools like Monday.com or Rike. The third thing you should know is the pricing structure. Instagantt offers a free plan, but it's pretty limited, and to unlock the full potential, you'll need to go for one of the paid plans. While the pricing is competitive compared to tools like Trello or ClickUp, it still might not offer the same level of features for the same price. Now, the fourth thing is the Gantt chart capabilities. Instagantt excels here. It gives you an easy way to visualize your project timelines and dependencies, making it perfect for long-term projects. However, if your team isn't as focused on timelines and prefers task-based project management, it might not be the best fit. Fifth thing, task dependencies. Instagantt allows you to set up dependencies between tasks, which helps prevent delays by showing you how delays on one task will affect others. However, while this is a major strength, it can be overwhelming if you're managing simple, smaller projects that don't require complex scheduling. Sixth, Instagantt's collaboration features allow for real-time editing and task assignment, which is essential for teams. You can assign roles, add comments, and keep everything organized. However, compared to alternatives like Monday.com, the collaboration features here are more basic and may not provide the level of communication tools other platforms offer. The seventh thing is integrations. Instagantt works primarily with Asana, which is great if that's your main tool, but it lacks integrations with some of the other popular platforms like Slack and Google Calendar. This could be a deal breaker for teams who rely on those tools for day-to-day communication and scheduling. The eighth thing is resource management. Instagantt lets you track team workloads, but it's not as robust as tools like Smartsheet or Microsoft Project. If resource management is crucial to your operation, you may want to look into more specialized tools in that area. Ninth thing, there is a slight learning curve when first starting out with Instagantt. While the interface is user-friendly, fully mastering all the features like custom fields and advanced dependency settings can take some time. If you want something quicker to set up, simpler options like Trello might work better. The 10th thing to consider is mobile usability. Instagantt offers mobile apps, but they aren't as feature-rich or polished as the desktop version. If your team is often on the go, you might find the mobile app somewhat limiting compared to other tools with fully functional mobile versions, such as ClickUp. 11th, Instagantt has some reporting and tracking features, but they're not as customizable or detailed as other project management tools. For example, while you can track tasks, you won't get deep analytics or in-depth reporting like you would from a tool like Monday.com or ClickUp. And the 12th and final thing to consider is that Instagantt is a solid choice for users who specifically need a Gantt chart-focused project management tool and are already using Asana. However, if you're looking for an all-in-one solution with more powerful features, there are better alternatives out there, like ClickUp or Rike, which offer more flexibility and integrations. So, is Instagantt worth it? For users looking for a simple, Asana-integrated Gantt chart solution, it's a great option. But if you want something with more functionality across different aspects of project management, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.